And in this journey, we'll use shadowing English speaking practice to help you learn spoken English step by step.
Step by step sounds nice, because sometimes I feel like I have to become fluent overnight.
No, not overnight. Before we begin, I want to talk with you for a moment.
Can I be honest?
Maybe you feel this too.
You know many English words,
You understand English videos,
but when it's time to speak, suddenly your mind goes blank.
exactly. You pause, you think, and you hesitate.
And that feeling is frustrating.
I know. But here's something important. English speaking practice is the key.
Not just watching another English video,
Listening helps your ears. Yes, definitely. That's your input. But speaking turns English into output.
because when you speak, your brain has to react, right?
Exactly. You train your brain to respond. You train your mouth to create sounds. And little by little, you build confidence.
But speaking feels uncomfortable sometimes. Maybe you're shy. Maybe you're not sure if you're saying it correctly. Maybe you're thinking, what if I make mistakes?
My dear learners, that's completely normal. Every English learner goes through this, and you don't have to do it alone.
We are right here with you.
This is your American English speaking practice. But don't worry too much about accent.
So, perfection isn't the goal?
No, the goal is confidence and clarity. I have seen many learners start exactly where you are. A one level, struggling with even simple sentences.
Like, I understand English, but I can't speak.
Exactly that. Then, with small daily practice, they move to a 2, then B1, and sometimes even beyond that.
Wait, so no secret tricks?
No complicated grammar, no magic shortcut, just simple, consistent speaking.
So if you're listening right now, practice anywhere you can. On the bus, while walking, in your room, cooking, cleaning, anytime.
Even one sentence matters. Even 1 minute matters. Because every small practice is one more step from a 1 to a 2.
And by the way, if Anna and I are becoming part of your daily practice routine,
And tell us something in the comments. Maybe write, "Today I practiced English." Or tell us where you're listening from. We read those comments, and it's always fun seeing learners practicing together. Because consistency creates fluency. Stay with us.
not talent,
Not shortcuts. Just showing up every day. Let me say that one more time. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Conversation at the airport security.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the security checkpoint.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Sure, here they are. I have them ready.
Thank you. Let me check these documents.
Of course. Take your time.
Everything looks good. Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, it is just me. I am traveling solo.
I see. Is this your first time flying internationally?
Yes, it is my first time flying abroad. I am a bit nervous.
Oh, that is exciting. Do not worry. Flying is very safe.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Where are you heading today?
I am going to New York to visit my brother.
New York is a wonderful city. You will love it there.
I hope so. I have always wanted to visit.
Great. Now, please place your bag and phone in the tray.
Okay, like this?
Yes, perfect.
Do I need to remove my shoes too?
Yes, please remove your shoes and your jacket as well.
Got it. Here you go. Everything is in the tray now.
Thank you for your cooperation. Please walk through the scanner now.
Okay, I'm walking through.
Perfect. Please wait on the other side.
Is everything okay? Did the scanner detect anything?
All good. You are completely clear. No problems at all.
Oh, thank goodness. I was a little nervous about that part.
No worries. You did everything perfectly fine.
Thank you for being so patient with me.
Of course. Have a safe and pleasant flight to Toronto.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day at work.
You too, ma'am. Take care and enjoy your trip.
At the museum conversation.
Hello, welcome to the City Museum. It is wonderful to see you today.
Hi, thank you so much. It is my first time visiting this museum.
That is wonderful. We love first-time visitors. Is there anything special you would like to see?
Actually, I am not sure what you have here. Can you tell me about the museum?
Of course. We have many sections: ancient history, dinosaurs, art, and science.
That sounds amazing. There is so much to explore.
Yes, there is. Would you like a quick tour? I can show you the highlights.
Yes, please. I would love that. Thank you for offering.
My pleasure. Let us start this way. Follow me, please.
Okay, I am right behind you.
Over here, you can see our ancient Egyptian section. It is very popular.
Wow, look at these statues. They look absolutely amazing.
They are more than 2,000 years old. Can you believe it?
Really? That is unbelievable. 2,000 years is such a long time.
Yes, they were discovered near the Nile River in Egypt many years ago.
How did they get here to this museum?
They were gifts from the Egyptian government. We are very lucky to have them.
They are so well preserved. The details are incredible.
Our team works very hard to protect them.
I can see that. Can I take a photo here?
Sure, you can take photos, but please turn off the flash.
Okay, no problem. I will use natural light only.
Perfect. The flash can damage old artifacts over time.
I understand. I will be very careful.
Great. Now, let me show you something exciting. This way, please.
Where are we going next?
To the dinosaur section. You will find amazing fossils there.
Oh, I love dinosaurs. I've been fascinated by them since I was a child.
Many visitors say the same thing. It's everyone's favorite part of the museum.
I can imagine why dinosaurs are so mysterious and interesting.
Wait until you see our T-Rex skeleton. It is enormous.
I cannot wait. This museum is really beautiful and well organized.
Thank you so much. We are very happy you are enjoying your visit.
I definitely am. I will tell all my friends to come and visit too.
That would be wonderful. We appreciate that very much.
How long does it take to see the whole museum?
Most visitors spend about 2 to 3 hours here.
Perfect. I have plenty of time today.
Excellent. Take your time.
Great job! You've just completed the first 2 of 5 powerful conversations.
Oh, Anna, I speak confidently and naturally.
Exactly. You don't need a classroom. You just need 30 minutes of living in English while you're driving, cooking, or just walking in the park.
It's not studying. It's just taking your English for a walk.
If you know someone who is still trapped in that silent geniuses, someone who has the talent but lacks the voice, please share this experience with them.
Let's help our friends stop hiding. One share can change someone's entire career. Let's grow this adult power community together.
Now, the surgery begins.
Surgery? Am I going under the knife, Anna?
Not your body, Kenny. Your mind. We are going to slice through the layers, one by one, to see exactly why you feel like a child.
Slice it up. I want to see the wires that are broken in my head.
And then, I'm going to show you how to reconnect them. But you have to stay with us all the way to the end.
Don't just watch. Experience the transformation with me.
Let's open the brain. Ready, Kenny? Let's go. How to order food at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Is this table free?
Yes, please have a seat. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you, Anna. It looks very nice here.
Thank you. Here is your menu. Take your time to look.
Thanks. There are so many choices. What do you recommend today?
Our chicken burger is very popular. Many customers order it.
That sounds good. Is the chicken grilled or fried?
It is grilled, very healthy and delicious.
Perfect. I will have the chicken burger, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. I love fries.
And what would you like to drink?
I will have a Coke, please.
Sure. Would you like it in a small, medium, or large size?
Large, please. I am very thirsty today.
No problem. Would you like any sauces or extras with your meal?
Yes. Can I get ketchup and mayonnaise, please?
Absolutely. Anything else?
Actually, do you have any salads?
Yes, we have a fresh garden salad. Would you like to add it?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Okay, so that is one chicken burger, large fries, a garden salad, and a large Coke with ketchup and mayo.
That is correct.
Would you like a dessert after your meal? We have ice cream and chocolate cake.
Maybe later. I will see how I feel after eating.
Of course.
How long will the food take?
About 10 to 15 minutes. I will bring it to your table.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Hello. Thank you for calling Mario's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Sure. I would be happy to help. What size pizza would you like?
I think a medium size would be perfect.
Medium. Good choice. What kind of crust do you prefer?
What options do you have for the crust?
We have thin crust, regular, and thick crust.
I will go with regular crust, please.
Regular crust it is. Now, what toppings would you like?
I would like pepperoni and extra cheese, please.
Excellent choice. Pepperoni and extra cheese. Very popular.
Yes, I love that combination. It is my favorite.
Would you like any vegetables on it? Mushrooms or peppers?
No vegetables today, just the pepperoni and cheese.
Okay, no problem. Would you like any drinks with your order?
Yes, I would like a cola, please. What size?
We have small, medium, and large bottles.
A large bottle would be great.
Perfect. Would you like any sides with your pizza?
What sides do you have available?
We have garlic bread, chicken wings, and mozzarella sticks.
The garlic bread sounds delicious. I will take one order of that.
Garlic bread. Excellent. Anything else you would like to add?
No, I think that is everything.
Let me repeat your order. One medium pepperoni pizza with extra cheese, regular crust, one large cola, and one garlic bread.
Yes, that is correct.
Great. Can I have your delivery address, please?
Yes, it is 45 Maple Street, apartment 3B.
45 Maple Street, apartment 3B. Got it.
That is right.
And may I have your phone number in case we need to contact you?
Sure, it is 555-1234.
Thank you. Your total comes to $20.50.
Okay, I will pay with cash when it arrives.
No problem. Cash on delivery is fine.
How long will the delivery take?
It will be about 30 minutes, maybe a little less.
Perfect. That is not too long.
Thank you for ordering from Mario's Pizza.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Enjoy your pizza. Good morning. Welcome to Fresh Farm Market.
Good morning. Thank you. Everything looks so colorful.
Yes, we get fresh vegetables every morning. How can I help you today?
I would like to buy some fresh vegetables for dinner tonight.
Sure. What would you like to have? We have many options.
Let me see. How much are the tomatoes?
The tomatoes are $2 per pound. They are very fresh today.
They look nice and red. Give me 2 pounds, please.
2 pounds of tomatoes. Here you go. Anything else?
Yes. I also need some carrots. Are these fresh?
Yes, these carrots came in this morning. Very crunchy and sweet.
Perfect. I will take 1 kilo, please.
1 kilo of carrots. Got it. What else do you need?
Do you have any green beans?
Yes, fresh green beans are right here. They are on sale today.
Oh, that is nice. How much are they?
Normally $3, but today they are $2 per kilo.
Great deal. I will take half a kilo.
Half a kilo of green beans. Good choice. Anything else?
Do you have any onions?
Yes, we have white onions and red onions. Which do you prefer?
White onions, please. Just 3 or 4.
Here are 4 nice white onions for you.
Thank you. I think that is all for today.
Let me add everything up. That comes to $7 total.
Here is a $10 bill.
And here's your change, $3.
Thank you. Everything looks so fresh and nice.
Thank you for shopping with us. Please come again.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your dinner tonight.
English with EduWorld is not just a channel. It's a movement to reclaim our true voices. And it only takes 30 minutes a day, anywhere, anytime. Just you and the rhythm of the language. When you're cooking, speak. When you're walking, speak. Even when you're alone, just describe what you see. Start small, then expand your sentences. Day by day, it gets easier.
So just keep going.
Exactly. Consistency, not perfection. Don't let these 30 minutes stay only with you. There are millions of silent geniuses out there feeling like kids.
If this story touched your heart, send it to a friend, a classmate, a co-worker. Not for a like, but for their freedom.
And if this feels familiar to you, if you've been learning for years but still feel stuck, let's give them the courage to be simple. Let's give them the power to be heard.
Let's give them the courage to be simple. Let's give them the power to be heard. Share the journey, 30 minutes a day. Let's change the way the world speaks English, one friend at a time.
Share the journey, 30 minutes a day. Let's change the way the world speaks English, one friend at a time. See you the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.